Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. Do not use water to clean the unit or tools. Use low-pressure air to clean the intake vent on the side of the machine. Clean mud or dirt from blanket, straps, wires, and connectors on a daily basis to maintain efficient operation and consistent heating. Avoid dragging heating tools on the ground or over rough terrain. Keep the heater unit in an upright position. When quick wrap or air-cooled cables are not in use, place in a storage container or appropriate hanger to prevent damage. Do not use cleaning solvents on the screen or damage will occur. Miller recommends gently washing with a solution of mild soap and lukewarm water using a soft, grit-free cloth or sponge to loosen any dirt or grime. Never use abrasives, highly alkaline cleaners, alcohols, aromatic or halogenated solvents, harsh solvents, or acids to clean the surface. Do not clean in direct sunlight or high temperatures as this can lead to staining.